eyes heavy from exhaustion, but still said, "I'm fine." What if I told you your body is whispering a truth your mind refuses to hear? Today, through the eyes of artificial intelligence, we'll journey inside, to see what really happens inside you when you keep working, when you keep pushing, even after your body is begging you to stop. This isn't just science. This is your story. Let's go inside. When we look through the lens of AI, the human body is not just flesh and blood, it's a living city. Each cell is a small factory, each heartbeat a pulse of energy, and every breath a wave of life moving through an endless network. In the morning, when you wake up, your brain releases cortisol, the signal that tells your body, it's time to work. Your heart speeds up, blood pressure rises, and every cell prepares for another day of survival. It's a perfect system, but only when it gets what it needs: rest, water, and nourishment. Instead, we feed it with coffee, anxiety, and endless screens. We trade recovery for productivity, and we call it hustle. Now, imagine AI zooming into your brain. You'd see tiny sparks of light, neurons firing rapidly, sending billions of messages every second. When you overwork, those flashes become chaotic. The brain consumes more glucose, burning through its limited fuel. Slowly, the lights dim. The signals begin to slow down. This is fatigue,